The wonders of deer life in forests. Deer are fascinating animals that are found throughout forests around the world. These majestic creatures have captivated humans for centuries with their graceful movements, beautiful antlers, and stunning coats. In this article, we will explore the life of deer in the forest, including their behavior, diet, mating habits, and predators. Deer are social animals that live in herds. These herds can range in size from a few individuals to several dozen, and they are typically composed of females and their offspring. Adult males, also known as bucks, may form their own small groups during the mating season or may wander alone. Deer are active throughout the day but are most active at dawn and dusk, which is when they are most likely to be seen by humans. One of the most striking aspects of deer behavior is their ability to jump. These animals are incredible athletes, able to clear obstacles that are as high as 8 feet with a single leap. Their powerful hind legs allow them to cover great distances quickly, making them difficult prey for many predators. The mating season for deer varies depending on the species and location. In North America, the white-tailed deer mating season typically occurs in the fall, while the red deer in Europe mate during the late summer and early fall. During this time, male deer will compete for the attention of females by displaying their antlers and engaging in physical fights. Once a male has successfully mated, he will leave the female to care for the offspring. Deer have many predators in the forest, including wolves, coyotes, bears, and mountain lions. These predators rely on their keen sense of smell and hearing to locate their prey. However, deer have developed a range of defensive strategies to avoid being eaten, such as their ability to run and jump quickly, as well as their exceptional sense of smell and hearing. Additionally, many deer will form a defensive circle around their young, known as a nursery herd, to protect them from predators. Deer are found in different forest habitats around the world. In North America, they are found in the boreal forests, deciduous forests, and mixed forests. In Europe, they are found in the taiga forests and deciduous forests. In Asia, they are found in the temperate forests and tropical rainforests. Deer are generally adaptable to different types of forest habitats. They can thrive in both coniferous and deciduous forests, as long as the forest provides them with sufficient cover, food, and water. Deer require a mix of open areas, such as meadows and clearings, and forested areas to provide them with the resources they need to survive. Deer are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, grasses, twigs, and fruits. They are selective feeders, and their diet varies based on the season, location, and availability of food. During the winter, they may feed on coniferous trees, while in the summer, they prefer broadleaf trees and shrubs. Deer have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract maximum nutrients from their food. They have a 4-chambered stomach that allows them to break down and digest tough plant material. They are also ruminants, which means they regurgitate and rechew their food to break it down further before swallowing. Deer have a complex social structure that revolves around their mating behavior. Males or bucks compete for access to females or does during the breeding season, which is typically in the fall. Bucks will engage in aggressive behaviors such as antler wrestling and vocalizations to establish dominance and attract mates. Once a buck establishes dominance, he will breed with multiple does, and the females will give birth to a single fawn after a gestation period of about 6 to 7 months. Fawns are born with white spots that help them blend in with the forest floor and provide them with some camouflage. They stay with their mother for several months, nursing and learning survival skills. As they grow older, fawns will gradually transition to solid foods and will become more independent. At around 1 year of age, they will separate from their mothers and join a group of other young deer. Bucks will typically reach sexual maturity at around 2 years of age, while does may reach maturity at around 1.5 years. Deer face a range of threats in the forest, including predation, disease, and habitat loss. Natural predators of deer include wolves, bears, and mountain lions. However, deer populations are often more significantly impacted by human activities, such as hunting and habitat destruction. In some areas, deer populations have grown too large, leading to overgrazing and habitat destruction. This can result in decreased food availability for other species, as well as a reduction in biodiversity. Deer can also be carriers of diseases such as chronic wasting disease and bovine tuberculosis, which can have significant impacts on other wildlife populations. Deer are a fascinating species that are well adapted to living in the forest. They are herbivores and have a complex social structure that revolves around their mating and grazing behavior. While deer populations